mga kasana all! Today is January 25. The family is here in Las Cascadas Private Resort in Pandi, Bulacan. Look at the place. No, don't. Not in the face, Kusmaha, not in the face. Yeah, we're celebrating here the January. Lots of family members celebrating their birthday at January. And we're here to celebrate all for one. The pool is not so big, but it's nice. 5 feet. And there's the one there is para sa mga bata. Mababaw lang. May pa falls din there. Kasama yung pangalan nila. Hey! Look at the family. Yes. With decoration of my Unica Ihashin.
Ay, wag sa mukhang kusma. Mapapasok sa ilong.
Meron ding sunken coffee table.
May mabaho dito.
Saka yung ilalim niya na i-stock ng tubig dito. Yeah.
What's that biggie?
Yeah. Hello. Hi. Hi, Denden. And there's a videographer room here. Ito yung maganda po yung sounds nila. And the name, Las Cascadas. We have a bathroom here. Parang madilim siya sa camera. What?
There a basket? That's someone's basket here?
Yeah. Yeah. The bag.
Birds crawl right over there.
Ay.
There you go. I think there's another one big fish.
Here.
Yeah, behind it. I think it's wrong. That's the second one.
Meron daw box dito. Wala. Say hi! I'm taking video. Meron po ditong room for seniors. Ito siya. Ayan. Malaki din siya. Tapos may own CR din. May TV. May rice cooker, may water dispenser, may microwave. Yeah, and meron din silang mga board games. May mga board games din sila. Ayan. And upstairs, here upstairs, ito may CR. Dito may CR. Tapos ito yung room. Can accommodate 30 people. Madami silang extra bed. Then may extra room dito, hindi kasama sa package. Pag 20 plus lang kayo, pag daw isinama nyo, you will add 2.5. Meron din ditong pa-terrace. Ayan. Nag-uumpisa na silang magsangyup. Walking here. May another terrace where you can relax and have the outside view. That's all for today. Happy birthday sa mga nagsa-celebrate ngayong January. God bless to all and many more trips to come. I love you all. Bye-bye.